Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. Yo, what's good, everybody? We're about to check out Lightsum. Now I'm pretty still brand new to Lightsum from Cube. Correct me if I'm wrong. They have a song and music video called Pose. I heard good things about it, so let's check it out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, off the bat. Whoa, what energy in the beginning though. Hey. Oh, they come out with these heat. This heat, so great, so cool. That lemon, fruit. These edits are quite interesting. I mean, it's probably done before, but it's, I don't know. Like this too. Oh. Okay. Are they cooking? They cooking up some fire, that's for sure. With this track. Oh, that color. Am I interrupting something? Is it makeup time? The girly time? But I was gonna say that the frosting color looks so nice. Ooh, oh my god, I don't know why that's so satisfying. Okay. Hey. 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 Damn, pitter pat pat pat. Okay, come through. Pitter pat pat pat. Kitty. Hey. Okay, ma'am. Serve. Serve. Hey, hey. It's literally like a girls' day kind of vibe, like not like the group. I mean, like a girls' like hangout, basically. Zooming tight, tight. Hey, hi, hi. Hey, hey. Hi, hi. Okay, slumber party. Literally slumber party vibes, basically. Okay. Oh, not the shadow pop. Whoa. Oh my god, I thought fire was breaking out, but it was just a projector screen. Is this a pillow fight that's happening? Very retro, high up beat too. I'm trying to remember if I checked out Lightsum in the past. I'm pretty sure I have. Ooh. Oh my god, Lightsum. Pose. Hey, yo. Bro, this is like literally gonna be my get ready. Like when I wake up doing my like my skincare. I'm just be bumping this, just dancing to this 24/7. Just like watch me. Watch that face. I think y'all literally just saw my whole skincare routine. every morning and night. That's literally all the products I use. I won't like. I mean, I could let you guys know what my skincare routine. I mean, I feel like every time I go to IG Live, people find out, like they know what I use. But yeah, freaking Lightsum came out with Pose. That ish was fire. That got me bumping, got me dancing. I'm having a good time. Comments down below what you guys think of Lightsum Pose. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to comment all the comments, please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all? Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.